Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Voyager account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Voyager account, begin by navigating to the Voyager website. Locate the sign up button on the homepage and click it. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password by entering it a second time in the designated field. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Voyager. Open the email and look for the verification link provided. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the Voyager website and click the Login button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, you may be prompted to provide additional information. Complete the required fields with your personal information. This may include your full name, date of birth, and address. Proceed to upload a valid form of identification for verification purposes. Follow the instructions to complete the identity verification process. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation notification. Now, you can fund your account to start trading. Select the deposit option from your account dashboard. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the prompts. Your Voyager account is now fully activated and ready for use. Explore the available features and start your trading journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.